Hi everyone, so right now I'm running a little experiment to see how, what's happened here. So, I'm pretty sure someone sprayed an herbicide here, and I'm pretty sure it is a salt-based herbicide because most of the modern ones are, especially the ones that get pushed for consumers. We don't see so much glyphosate in the stores anymore. And while glyphosate isn't great for you to drink or anything, it is better for the environment in the sense that glyphosate as a molecule will break down into inert substances, whereas the salt-based herbicides do not. And so they will stick around forever and keep something dead for a pretty long time. Although it seems like there are some, like this low mallow seems to be doing okay in it. And the low mallow is invasive, but if nothing else is growing here, we'll let that grow here and hopefully it'll clean it up and let other stuff grow. So what did I do? I dug out some dirt from this patch. I got some soil, topsoil, and a little under with my my handy dandy hori hori. I love this thing. It's a Japanese gardening spade or a hori hori gardening knife. Put that dirt in some water, and this is some pH indicator I made earlier today I heated up some water, not quite to boiling, and I soaked the cabbage in it for 10 minutes, and that got out all of the compounds that react with pH. And so we have a nice little pH indicator. I tested it earlier with some vinegar and baking soda, and it was very pretty. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour that into here, and we're looking for color change. Now this color will get lighter because we're diluting it, but if the salts are in here, salts generally being alkaline, it will turn to like a lighter blue. It won't just be like a lighter purple. It'll actually, the color will change. So let's see. And oh, before I do that, I did test some non-contaminated soil earlier, and this soil is very slightly alkaline. The color did lighten. The purple turned to a lighter blue, and then I put some wood ash in it and it got even lighter. So yeah. I don't know how well that worked. That's pretty cloudy. The other thing we can try is going the other way, now that I've cocked up this experiment. I don't know, how's that looking there to you? Looks a little lighter. It's kind of hard to say. Now, pH strips would probably be better, but I don't have those right now. Yeah, okay. So I definitely think that is a salt-based, oh, it's showing up purple on the camera. That's more blue in my visual. So I'll have to look back and check the footage. But that definitely seems like a lighter blue. Instead of being like this this rich, like ultramarine blue, now it's getting closer to like a dirty sky blue because there's muddy water in it. So yeah, my guess is that this patch was sprayed with a salt-based herbicide, probably Roundup. I'm sure I can figure out which neighbor did the spraying. Looks like it's lightning. So we can check our results. That's pretty cool. Anyways, that's the video. Hope you found it interesting. Bye.